welcome to my channel. My name is Martha G. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this presentation title slide with PowerPoint. So let's get started. But first we must say that this title slide is a product of fiction. Any resemblance to persons, names, images, places and situations, it is completely coincidental and not responding in fact. Any material is used for the needs of the presentation. Thank you. The topic of our presentation is about advertising through the presentation of a company that deals with the interior decoration and design of the house. Through this presentation, we want to display and advertise a company to find potential customers, and the best way is to use earthy colors. Earthy shades are timeless and are always a safe choice in decoration. The reason one cannot resist is not just one, but many more. However, resisting the natural colors that surround us is unthinkable. And this is because we are simply exposed to them from the time we are born. In this title slide, we will use and combine wisely the earth colors, shades of brown. On the left side, outside of the design area, we have placed the codes we'll be using along with their hex codes. So you can practice with us. We will put the colors with their hex codes in the link below in the description to copy it from there. The first step we take is to insert an image. We go to Insert ribbon, we choose Pictures, this device. We find in which file we have saved the image we want to put, click Image and then click Insert. We got the image from Pexels. We will put the link below in the description to make it easier for you to follow the steps of creating this slide with us, so you can practice with us. We always make sure that the image we insert is relevant to our topic. We see that the dimensions of the image are smaller than our slide, so we adjust the image to our slide. We also see that we have chosen the large size of the image so that it is not blurred. We always pay attention to this. We click on the image and drag the mouse first from the left side and then from the right side until it meets the borders of our slide. Since we're going to use the image as a background, we want to tone it down, so we're going to add a large rectangle that covers the entire design area. We go to Insert ribbon, we choose Shapes, Rectangle, click in the design area from the upper left corner to the lower right corner of the slide. Now, right click, Format Shape. We go to Fill, Gradient Fill, and we put 4 color gradients. Linear, we go to Direction, we choose the 4th. We go to the first gradient stop, we choose Color, Eyedropper. We choose the first color outside of the design area. Then we go to the second gradient stop, we choose Color, Eyedropper. We choose the second color outside of the design area. We go to the transparency and add 28%. We go to the third gradient stop. We choose Color, Eyedropper. We choose the third color outside of the design area. We set the transparency 95%. And then we go to the last gradient stop. We choose Color, Eyedropper, the fourth outside of the design area, and we set the transparency 95%. Line, no line. Now we want to put the name of the company site up and high, but first we will insert a rectangle to frame it. We go to Insert ribbon, we choose Shapes, choose Rectangle, click in the design area, drag and release it. We go to Shape Format Shape Fill, Eyedropper, we choose the brown color, the last, outside of the design area, Shape Outline, no outline. Now we go to insert ribbon, we choose text box, click in the design area inside the circle that we just have created, and we go to home ribbon, we choose Aptos font, size 24, color white, and we write the website's name, www.superdecor.com. We center the text and we put it in the center. Now we will insert our title. At the left side of the slide, we go to insert ribbon, we choose text box, click in the design area, drag and release it. We choose Aptos font again, size 40, and color, we go to shape format, text fill, eyedropper, color the last brown, and we write the title, shift apostrophe, unleashing the hidden potential transform your home with stunning ideas, close apostrophe, the stunning, design ideas. And we put it in the desired position. Now we will insert a small rectangle to separate the title from the presenter's name. Insert shapes rectangle, click in the design area, drag and release it. Shape format, shape fill, eyedropper, choose the last brown color, shape outline, no outline. And we put it in the desired position. Now we will insert the presenter's name. We go to insert, click text box, click in the design area, drag and release it. We choose from home ribbon again the Aptos font size 20, and brown color again, and we write the presenter's name, by Martha G. Santos. And that's it. Now that we have finished the design, it is time for animations. First of all, we group the image with a transparent rectangle. We remove a little bit the transparent rectangle, click it, and then shift and click the image. Right click, group, group. We go to this image with image clicked, animations, emphasis, grow shrink. Start with previews, duration 2. We go to the title, entrance random bars, we prefer vertical, start after previews, duration 0.50 as it is. We go to the small brown rectangle, entrance fly in, effect options from left, we prefer it, duration 0.50, and start after previews. We go to the presenter's name, entrance fade, start after previous, duration 1, effect options as one object as it is. We go to the brown rectangle of the website, entrance wipe, effect options from top, start after previous, duration 0.50. We go to the website's name, entrance fade, effect options as one object, start after previous, duration 1. And now we go to the slideshow button and click it to see the result. And that's it. Thank you for watching us. If you want, you can press the like and the subscribe button. We are waiting for you in the next video. Bye!